Okay, this is filler number 2 for Detroit, New York Islanders, and Ottawa for the 15-16 SP Game Used double break. Just gonna write live at 3:01 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. It's 3:01 p.m. Go to the list here. We got Mark on top, Sean on the bottom. Good luck, everyone. First, we have Mark on top. And again, Paul on top. Grab the timestamp here. Okay. Third and final random, top 3 win. Good luck, everyone. Okay, we got Sean in first and second, and Mark in third again. Thanks, everyone. Just get the timestamp here. Okay, thanks, everyone. I'll be posting another mini up right away.